Are you a construction worker from Africa? I want to migrate to another country. Then this video is for you. I want to give you 8 top countries where you should look forward for your construction job. Yes. Number 1, Saudi Arabia. Number 2, Qatar. Number 3, UAE. Number 4, Canada. Number 5, Australia. Number 6, Portugal. Yes, Portugal. Number 7, Romania. Number 8, Germany. Yes. Coming next is the website where you can apply for these jobs. Okay, yes. If you are coming across my video for the first time, touch the appropriate button, connect with this account, join me, so I can continue to get more updates, because more updates are still coming. I wish you good luck.